Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. Where did Abdurrahman first import fruit trees and other plants from? Why? Answer. Abdurrahman first imported fruit trees and other plants from his former home, from where he escaped to southern Spain. Actually, he wanted to promote agriculture and recreate the glory and grandeur of Damascus, the capital of Islamic State, that is Syria. Question 2. What can we achieve again if we enkindle in ourselves the master passion, that is Ishq? Answer. If we enkindle in ourselves the master passions, that is Ishq, we can achieve once again the past glory and grandeur and the exalted state of moral and spiritual character. Question 3. What is the view of Iqbal about the Masjid of Cordoba? Explain his view in your own words. Answer. According to Iqbal, the Masjid of Cordoba is a symbol of faith. It is also a symbol of dominance of Islamic civilization in Europe. According to Iqbal, the very existence of the masjid is due to Ishq. The foundation of this masjid are everlasting and its columns are as countless as the palm trees in the deserts of Syria. Iqbal says the Masjid of Cordoba is eminent and beautiful. Question 4. What, in your opinion, is the significance of the Masjid of Cordoba to present day Muslims? Explain. Answer. The Masjid of Cordoba is a symbol of past glory and grandeur of Muslims and their dominance over Europe. It transports us to that golden age of Islam which provided enlightenment to the dark ages of Europe. It tells us that we, that is the Muslims, can achieve the lost position if we enkindle the exalted passion of Ishq in ourselves. Question 5. Why did Iqbal greatly appreciate a faraway masjid in Spain when there were superb buildings of Muslim era in subcontinent? Answer. Iqbal greatly appreciated the great masjid of Cordoba to tell to the present day Muslims the glory, strength and grandeur of Muslims and Islam in Europe. This masjid is actually the outstanding symbol of faith.